In this demo, I will show you how to create a report that shows the activation, resolve, and close rate for work items over a period of time. First, in Excel, we want to connect to a TFS queue by going to the data ribbon, get external data from other sources, from analysis services, type in the server name, select the database where your cube is, select work item history perspective, click finish, select pivot table report, click OK. Again, we want to show the activation, resolve, and close rate for work items over a period of time. So the value we want to analyze is state change count, and we want to put date on the row labels and state on the column labels. So from the pivot table fields list, first we will add state change count to values, and we will navigate to the date dimension, add year, month, date to the row labels. The report now shows the state change count at the year level. So you can drill into the month level or the date level by expanding the nodes on the year, month, day hierarchy. And for the purpose of this report, we want to focus on February 2006. You can filter out dates outside this range by clicking on the arrow right next to row labels and deselect all dates and selecting only February 2006, click OK. And now we want to further break down the state change count by states. So we go to the work item dimension and we add the state attribute to the column labels. Now the report shows the state change count for each state over a period of time. So notice that we have active, close, proposed, and resolved in our states, and for this report we're not interested in proposed, so we can filter it out by clicking on the arrow next to column labels and deselecting any state that we are not interested in, click OK. So now we are left with active, close, and resolved. So now we want to convert this into a pivot chart. We can go to the options ribbon, select pivot chart, and select the chart type, which is just a regular line chart. Click OK. And now you might notice that the lines on our chart are broken. This is because we have blanks in our table. So on certain days we have no activity for certain states. So, and we want to replace these blanks by 0. To do so, you can right-click anywhere on the pivot table, select pivot table options, and under layouts and format, you can put 0 for empty cells. Click OK, and notice the blanks are replaced by zeros, and we have continuous lines now. So now I just created a report that shows you the activation, resolve, and close rate for work items over February 2006.